As you can see, we spent a significant amount of time pre-treating the suede. Pre-treatment is the most important part and does take the longest. Now it's time for the treatment process. Shake all contents of the bottle to make sure Just Suede is evenly distributed around the sneaker. Don't forget to clear the line to make sure it's spraying fine. Spray the shoe from 6 to 8 inches away. Our Just Suede spray cap ensures you can control the amount of solution you put onto your sneaker. Just Suede is formulated with smart surfactants and essential oils to ensure that your suede is being cleaned while also reviving the colors. Make sure you allow Just Suede time to penetrate the surface, time to dry 80 to 90% before you start brushing. You want to strategically brush the shoe while cleaning. Brushing while completely wet is like mixing paint on paper. Make sure to clean with precision. Make sure you have multiple brushes for the multiple colors you are cleaning. Now that the suede is wet, the dyes are alive and can be spread around all parts of the shoe if not careful. Be sure to use the correct color brush on the same color you brushed as before. Now grabbing our designated red brush for the red Nike swoosh. Make sure you are brushing with precision. Imagine you still have heavy dirt on this red Nike swoosh and have to brush vigorously. Most likely, you're going to spread that dirt onto places you don't want, like the yellow suede in this case. And this is why pre-treatment is so important. Clean with precision and take your time during the pre-treat so you won't have to do much brushing during the treatment. As you are cleaning, you want to brush the suede until it is nearly dry. The hog hair and nylon brush are going to help pick up dirt at a deeper level, helping remove embedded dirt that wasn't removed with the pre-treatment tools. Cleaning suede and nubuck is a process. If you are not able to get all the dirt off during treatment, allow the sneaker to dry and come back with another dry clean using the 4-way crepe brush and dual-sided eraser. Although black suede may not appear to be dirty, it's important to condition the suede to bring back the vibrance to the material. Remember, all of these tools can be found online at newlifekicks.com. Now we are going to reassess the shoe to make sure we didn't miss any areas and that the shoe looks as new as they possibly can. And just like that, the second step in our suede cleaning process is complete. Stay tuned for the final post-treatment process dropping soon.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with anyone out there committing suicide.